How to redeem Kmart gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem Kmart gift card online. For this, open up any web browser and search for Kmart gift card. Then you want to click on this option, which is shop and find holiday gift cards. Make sure to sign into your account here. Now click on the option of check balance and reload. Once you click on this option, it's going to take you to another page. On this page, you want to enter the gift card number. Once that is done, you want to enter the PIN number. You will find both these details on your gift card. You will have to scratch this in order to get the PIN number. Once this is done, you want to check the box that says I am not a robot. Once you have entered all the details, you want to click on the option of get balance. If both the gift card number and the PIN number are valid, then your Kmart gift card will be redeemed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.